Hello, everybody, and welcome to the first episode of Rain World. Now, this is a game that I think I've had in my library now for like, oh, it just started on itself. I think I've had this in my library for like a week or something now. Even longer than I like Hollow Knight in there. But additional content and configurations can be accessed with the remix menu. Hmm. What are these things? Animal friendly. I guess we'll just go story then. The Survivor. A nimble omnivore, both predator and prey. Lost in a harsh and indifferent land, you must make your way on your own with wit and caution as your greatest asset. The monk. Weak of body but strong of spirit, in tune with the mysteries of the world, and empathetic to its creatures, your journey will be significantly more peaceful. The hunter. Strong and quick with a fierce metabolism, requiring a steady diet of meat, but the stomach won't be your only concern, as the path of the hunter is one of extreme peril. Well, the Survivor seems the best one for a new game, because it's kind of like that balanced, kind of normal one, so I guess I'll pick that. Holy art, okay. Oh, they're so cute. I need to turn this down in post editing. Aww. They kind of look almost like axolotls a little bit. Okay. We got our little guys doing some hunting, it looks like. Yeah. Oh, raining. Uh-oh. Oh no! I guess, is that us that just fell? Oh no! I hope we can swim. Rain World. Okay. Cool intro cinematic. Here we are. Escape. It's the arrows to move, seriously? Okay, can I use a controller then? I don't want to use the arrows to move. I can. Crap, what's map on? Yeah, oh, here we go. Okay. View, hold R, right bumper is map, X is pick up and eat, B is throw, A is jump, left stick is move. This is way easier. Okay. Whoa, okay, I can like go under all the little spots. I'm hungry, find food. Are those blueberries food? Well, I mean, if they are, can't get to them. What's that? Weird. Eh. Oh, I can go through here. Oh, those are like little guiding things. Okay. Whoa, okay. Is this food? Catch and eat them, okay. Those are like little guiding guys. X. Num num num. Num num num. So my jump power is kind of crap, but... So those little places down here are like their safe spots, I guess. Okay, let me eat your ass. 4 is enough to hibernate? How do I hibernate? Huh? Where do I go to hibernate? Up there? I can't sneak into there. Do I go back down? Climb? Guess not. Jump and grab them. Additional food above 4 is kept for later. I am full. Where do I go now? I still don't know how to hibernate. Okay, so it's telling me a couple places I can go, and it says up here is one of them. Yeah, it's telling me to go in here. Okay, what's through here? Oh. Can I like hide in these spots? Leap the gap? Oh, this guy, okay. How? Do I like double jump? Or like... Okay, that doesn't work. Oh, am I like... What? Briefly tap down to... Oh, okay. While crouching, hold jump without... Okay. Okay, I get it. Rain is coming, find shelter. Is the rain like toxic? Okay. Stay here to hibernate. How do I do that? What's that? Like continue, I guess? Oh, I'm free. Nice. Go explore. There is food and shelter to be found, but beware of predators. Okay. Seems pretty simple, honestly. Carried and tossed. Whoa. So they're telling me there's bats in here? There is. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, I thought you could like, escape, huh? Alright, so we this guy. I guess we're just getting full right now. What's this guy saying up here? I mean, I'm pretty full right now, so I guess you can probably just climb up here. Oh, is this just to get a vantage point on the bats? I guess. Whoa, I have a spear. Oh, okay. Oh, whoops, no, back. Dang it, where am I? I'm there. What the heck? Oh. Those are just some bats coming through. Oh. Right here? Okay. These plant guys are really helpful. The heck? What is that? Shoot. B! Shoot, that didn't work. Can you get me up here? Shit. What was that? Okay. Oh, I can, like, shimmy on it. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Oh my god, are you kidding me? No, oh. Okay. Ugh. Alright. Okay, here we finally go. Here's exchange energy. Oh? Whoa! I did not mean to. The heck? Okay. Um. We've. He went down. I'm going this way. Gotta try to escape whatever the hell that thing was. Whoa, okay. Those are two of them fighting, I think? Shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh crap, the other one's following me. Go, 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 go! Oh no, I'm dead. Oh! Oh. View? What was view? Oh. Oh, I'm dead. Man. So I'm back here now? I gotta get better at throwing these spears, man. I'm not hungry. Okay. Are you... Shoot, go. I don't think you can follow me out here. Where did it go? Oh, didn't it go anywhere? Oh crap, there's no more throwables in here. Is it like bleeding out? It's definitely not having a good time. Hey. Buddy, come at me. Oh shit, he's actually coming at me. Let me up! Get me out of here! Shoot, this is not a good situation to be in. Climb, climb, climb! So their heads like light up when ever. Yeah, try and climb and I'll throw a spear in your fucking face. Yeah, that's what I thought. I see him though, he's waiting for me. I'll take care of this kid first. Did I kill the other guy? think I did. Oh. Oh, I didn't. He's hurting though. I definitely can say that for certain. Shoot. Can I even kill them? See, he freaks out when I hit him. But he has two spears, lodged in him and he isn't dead. I'm going for it. Go up, get up! Okay, I have to try. Whoa, whoa, okay. So, surprisingly, I survived that. But holy crap, do I not ever want to do that again. Oh, shoot. Go, 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 go! Jump! Oh, man. Oh. Okay, so I need to figure out a way to, maybe kill those guys. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna go back and get some of these bats that are in here. Oh! Just decked him. Yummy. Yummers. Ooh. This is just back here. Oh! Oh my god! You can't get me out here, can you? Alright. Let's just keep pushing then, I suppose. Oh! Whoop. Oh, look who's back. Whoop. Alright, now do I go up or straight? Ah. Oh! The heck is here? Okay, this is literally empty, so I guess I'll keep exploring. Okay. Jump up, no? Okay. I have 2 rocks, and I'm not afraid to use them. Can I replace one of... Yeah, alright. I have a rock and a spear. Is he dead? Well, he hasn't seemed to... See, I can't tell if I'm... Oh, nope, he isn't dead. I may have given him some form of brain damage, though. Since I have no idea what the hell he's doing. So I'm gonna just run for it. Because, you know, he's stuck on the wall? I honestly don't know. Whoa, that one's a different color. Oh, it's Mr. Brain Damage again. Okay. Okay, then, oh, I have to do the super jump here then, I guess. Boing! Oh, wow, it's Mr. Brain Damage. Oh, that would have hit him if he didn't move. I can't tell where they're, like, going. Okay, well, now he's over there, so he doesn't pose a threat. But that guy sure does. Go, up. Okay. I'm inclined to believe nowhere here is safe, so I'm not even gonna say, is this a safe spot? Oh, okay, I'm going all the way up around here. Oh, I'm glad there isn't fall damage. Oh, hey, hold up. Where do these pipes lead me? This one just leads me around. This one... Nope. So, we have to find some sort of way to get... Yeah! Alright. Nice. More things that'll kill me? Oh no, surprisingly not. Oh. Yeah, I need to have something on me to throw. Why does my controller keep vibrating? There's like nothing here but bats. No, that's not it. Is this just like a food room? Or... Whoa, everything is shaking. What? Huh? Oh, something horribly bad is about to happen, isn't it? What is happening? Is it an earthquake? Do I need to like hide under something? Oh, it's just raining. Okay. Oh my, it's so loud. Ah, what? Oh! Get down! Okay. Oh my god. Oh, what the hell was that? Oh, up here? I don't even remember it. Whoa. Yes, one of these empty spots again. Is there anything to do here? Yeah, it said something up here. Something was up here, but I don't see anything. Oh! Oh! I guess I had to not be holding anything, but alright. Alright, so whee! Alright, I don't think I've been this way before, but then again I don't know any way I've been. Oh yeah, this is new. No, it does not look anymore like I'm all good. Alright. Shoot! Huh. Shoot. I'm gonna go while they're far-ish away. Oh shoot, did I just back myself into a corner? No, I didn't. Okay. Okay, so there's like a bigger vent on the other side. That's one of the ways to progress through, I think. Oh yeah, there we go, I got it. Okay. Whoa, what is that? Is it hostile? Well, I have no reason to believe it's not, so I'm a dip. What's in there? What is that? Whatever. It's not... It doesn't appear to be vital to my survival, so... Oh! Doesn't just die. It does appear it just fell and died. Whoa, what is that crazy crackhead of a creature? Oh! Okay. Yeah, there we go. Whoa. Do those things like not take fall damage at all? Because he just fell like super far and didn't die. Oh shoot. Oh, there's another oh, never mind, there's not another exit over there anymore. See, that's a room that has bats in it. But I can't get to it because I can't even get on the thing. Okay. Well, that lizard thing appears to be gone, so I guess I'll go in the exact same direction it went. Where did it go? Oh shoot. Go back, go back, go back. Oh shoot, there's two of them. Okay. They didn't notice me. Thank God. Whoa, okay. Big boy. Oh shoot. No, 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 no. Shoot. Gotta keep going. Oh man, I'm back here again. Oh, what? Oh. Alright, well, that was kind of confusing. The whole experience of that game. So, I think I'm gonna end the episode there. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.